So I'm in a 2013 Lexus ES 300H, and today I'm going to show you how you would change your display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure vehicle's on, and then from your main menu here, which you can get to with this button, we're going to use this to toggle around, and then you push this in like a button to select things. So as you can see, it's just going around as I move that around. But from here, we'll go to Setup, push the button, and then we'll go down to Other, and then push this like a button. And we'll go back. Sorry, so in here we'll do Vehicle. Actually, we'll do General, and then Enter. And then in General, this language here, we select that, and now it's English, French, or Spanish. So all of this has just been with this toggle. So let's say we want Spanish, it's the bottom one. And then voice recognition will not be available for short time while it's changing the language, yes. So that said, you can do a lot of this with your voice commands as well. So now it's all switched to Spanish. So we'll go all the way back. So from the main menu here, obviously I speak English, so I'm gonna switch this all back to English. So we'll go to this Configure R, select, and then we'll go to this General, select, and then Idioma, select, and then from here, English. And then it's the same thing we just read in English. Voice commands are unavailable for a little bit. See? Alright, so now we're back to English. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.